Yeah, let's start it off. Today is a Monday market, Monday opening, right? You have your Monday opening. Today is your Monday market, October 13th. And yeah, you can see we have JPY, CAD, and USD bank holiday. So yeah, that's already a red flag for not trading, right? There's no major red folder news as the bank is on leave. But we can see let's start off with the monthly. Let me mark off the monthly. My my charts can look a bit too much free because yeah, because I was changing the few of the indicators, changing few of the indicators, and then I lost the. Yeah, and then I just decided that I'll just change all the indicators properly. So on the monthly, we're on the uptrend. On the daily, on the weekly, we're on the uptrend. On the daily, we are on a and on the daily also we're on the uptrend. We can see we have made an all-time high right now, right? As you can see, we made an all-time high. Let's go into the 4 hours. On the daily, we have a good zone right here, huh? Around 3,900. Interesting. Yeah, so on the 4 hours, let's go into the 4 hours, right? On the 4 hours, we have a zone 3,920. You can also see that it can act as a support around this region. You can see this has acted as a resistance, right? So this is basically a resistance becomes a support. So you can see the 3 times we have tried, price has tried to break this, but it couldn't. And once it eventually did, we can see that prices have acted, the price action, you can see that prices have acted around this region. So you can consider this as a resistance that became a support. So this is a good region, 3920. This is on the 4 hours, but that is too much to ask for price to move today, especially with the bank holidays. On the 1 hour, we can see this region. You can see this region, like this region could be pretty good. Right. Let me just mark it out on the 4 hour, 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we can see this. Let's go into the 15 minutes. It's been tapped already. Interesting. Yeah, that is it actually. That is it. Trading is going to be pretty simple. The bias is very much on buy. We can see that price corrected towards the end of Thursday and on Friday. We can see price made a good correction, and on Friday we got that good, a little bit of an up move again, like what normally happens after a price correction. And on Monday opening, we can see price has gone up, shot up rapidly. That is nothing other than basically US posing their major tariffs on China. And what has China done is China has apparently sold um, billions of their crypto and invested that money in gold. So this was an assumption which became true in the early Monday morning opening. And that is exactly why we can see price shot up. Price directly shot up right after that, right? So we can see in like just in a matter of an hour, we have gone from 3,400 to 3,000 to 4,060. That's like around 600 pip movement, right? And we have made an all-time high and we're still going upwards. So yeah, that is exactly what happened. So yeah, gold is going to be very risky today, especially with three banks on leave, especially three major banks like your Japanese, you have your USD and your CAD, and also with the fact that we are literally at the all-time high as I'm making this video. It's better to skip today. Maybe seeing the market Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday could be a good time, even Friday. So this week is going to be a good trading week. It's just today that we have to skip. All right. So that is it from me today. Uh, do share your comments. Sorry, do share your views in the comments. I do read all of them. Your trade plan, the trade that you have executed, maybe a profit, maybe some doubt. I've put my community link in the description below this video. You can join the community. It's a very active community, and I do help people out with any of their doubts or anything that they want from me. Right. So that is it for today, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.